How about if we start with a single sign-on?
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, we've got when you at SBA for. Thank you.
Yeah,
we call it SBA Connect.
Okay.
So we have systems that are login that were built homegrown almost 20 years ago, and by the end of March we're targeting getting rid of all those individual login and consolidating to SBA Connect to have a unified login for our customers. That's something that we've needed to do. Our legacy systems are just not working, and the benefit not only of modernizing legacy is getting to a single sign-in for our customers. We need to do that. So having that front end, not only are we doing all the back end work, but getting to that single sign-on is probably, I think, part of a bigger deal for our customers. They don't have to keep up with all those passwords, and we've done a lot of testing, and we actually brought on one of our first applications on that about a month ago. So that's moving out, and we'll have that rolled out by the end of March. But for those customers, that journey I mentioned earlier, that I brought somebody on board for that customer experience in that journey, because SBA deals a lot in paper. We're moving to electronic, digital transformation, a lot of those elements, but really understanding that journey from the customer and how they interact with the Small Business Administration, how many times they have to upload the same document, how many times do they have to do the same thing over and over again for different program offices, and really understanding that journey so that we can bring that together so that when you upload a document, for pick a program, that same document applies regardless of the program and the application you're trying to do. So, simplifying the user experience, lessening the amount of paperwork, turning things into digital, that's been just a huge part of our journey. And this is not something that takes 6 months. This is a 3-year journey. We've started that work this year. Even before that, a lot of the underlying work around data and bringing that together. But we've got another 18 to 24 months till we have that really unified experience. But we're starting small, a piece at a time. We've got the SBA Connect online for the single sign-on, incorporating that, and then slowly bringing on the different programs so we can get to that. We've got to get to that unified experience for those small businesses. And how do we better serve those small businesses? Because with the data on the back end that we have, not only understanding where we're providing loans and counseling, but being predictive that says if you've done X and Y, you're likely to do Z, and I can provide better services to you on that. So part of that experience is being smarter on the back end, understanding the data, but also simplifying the interaction with the Small Business Administration.